Mud and grime all over that nice light colored bicycle shoe? Try a magic eraser. Dip your magic eraser in water. Looking brand new. For really dirty mountain bike shoes, might require the use of some dishwashing liquid such as Dawn in some water. Scrub the shoe thoroughly. Then go ahead and rinse lightly with cool water. Be sure to unbuckle to get the greatest air ventilation. Remove the soles. Fill with newspaper and let dry in the shade. In this last method, if there's no mud or water in the shoe itself, you can probably take out the liner before you go ahead and wash it. If you have any suggestions, please comment below, or other methods that you use. We'd like to know about them. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.